Here is how to get verified on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can get verified on the Happn app. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Happn account, you'll come to the Explore page like this. Now in order to verify your account or profile, tap on your profile icon on the top right. Then it will take you to your profile. So if you are verified, it will show a tick mark on the right side of your name and age. What this does is, it increases the certainty and trust among the other people that your profile is verified and you are a genuine person on the app. In order to get your profile verified, tap on your profile photo. Then after you will find this profile certification section. Now in order to get verified or certify your profile, tap on the certify option that you can see on the screen. After that, tap on certify your profile. Then as you can read on the screen, in order to verify your profile, you'll have to record a video of yourself turning your head to the left and right by looking on the screen. You can follow the same steps that the woman is doing on the screen. So basically tap on got it and record the video. After you record the video and send it for verification, it will take a few moments to verify your video. Then after you will get the tick mark verified logo on the right side of your name and age. So in this way you can easily get verified on Happn. That's it for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for further more videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.